Hey salam, hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making a mouth-watering lamb dish. You're really gonna enjoy it. I'm going to serve it with a bit of brown rice, a bit of different flavor. Mwah. And I'm also going to make a sauce to go with it. Mwah. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video as well. Let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, grab a bowl, or so in with some garlic. Just gonna add that in there. Use a knife to remove all the excess here. Now we're going to add some cumin. Cumin and lamb really goes well together. Black pepper, red chili, adds a bit of heat and color. I've got here some dried oregano, so I'm just gonna crush it using my hands. You can use thyme if you like. Gives a really nice flavor, so there we go. And then I'm going to add a good pinch of salt. Lamb needs salt so it tenderizes. Touch of the golden syrup. Go here a bit of the Tabasco. Just add a splash of in there. It's got some vinaigrette into it, so it's gonna add that acidity in there. Finally, a good splash of sunflower oil. Give this a mix. That looks really good. You can use this marinade for chicken or beef if you like. Move that to a side. Here I've got my beautiful lamb. I've poked it with a knife so the flavors get absorbed easily into that. So here we go. I'm just going to add that in there. Alright, now I'm just going to give this a really nice mix into that. I've tasted my marinade actually, and it's so good, you know. Now you can use shoulder or lamb of leg as well for this. But again, the cooking temperature and the timing would depend. So leave a comment below if you're using that, and I'll let you guys know. I'm just going to leave it on the side to marinate for around an hour or two. And again, it's best if you obviously marinate it overnight. Alright, so the lamb is done marinating. I'm just going to place my lamb onto here. Alright, so this goes in the oven at 200°C for around 40 to 50 minutes, okay? Leave it uncovered. We're just gonna let that cook in there. Alright, how about we make some rice while our lamb is cooking? Today I'm using brown rice. It's very different to the white rice. So first of all, I'm just gonna chop this off finely. There we go. Some finely chopped garlic. Just gonna move it to a side here. Half an onion. Just gonna chop it in the middle. Roughly chop this here. Got here some mushrooms. Just gonna add a bit of flavor into our rice, so chop it finely. Who doesn't like mushrooms? Mushrooms are great, man, in the breakfast or, you know, as a lunch. Serving burritos if you like, serving omelets. Alright, so the mushrooms are done here. Alright, so let's start cooking our rice. I'm just gonna turn the heat to medium. Let the pan get nice and hot. I'm just gonna add a touch of oil in there. Alright, so in with the onions. Give it a mix. We're just going to cook our onions until they are golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, as you can see, just gonna add my garlic into there. Let the garlic cook for another minute. Just a splash of water in there. In with the mushrooms. Give this a good mix. Just cook the mushrooms until they start sweating. Just going to mix in some of the green chili. Mix that in. Season this with salt, pepper. Again, give this a mix. Touch of water. Now we're going to add in the water. Beautiful. So here we got our brown rice. We're just gonna add them in there. What I did with my rice was I washed them, I soaked them for around half an hour. You can use white if you like. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a like below. You know, it really helps. So yeah, just give this a good mix. Bring this to simmer. Nearly there. Just a little bit of water left. Alright, so there is some water left at this point of time. I'm just gonna add a half a tablespoon of cumin seeds on the top. Alright, now just reduce the heat to low. I'm just gonna place a clean towel on the top, like so. Cover it with a lid And we're just gonna let it steam up for around 10 minutes. Alright, let's check the rice. Look at that. Just turn off the heat. We're just gonna fluff it up using a fork here. Alright, so for the sauce here, I've got some chickpeas, as you can see. These are boiled chickpeas. And now I'm just going to add some green chilli, spring onion. Just add that in there. A bit of the coriander. Just squeeze that through. Touch of salt. Cover this up. And just blend this, yeah? So here it is. Quick and easy sauce. A bit of the lemon juice into there to add some freshness. Just gonna give it a good mix. There we go. A beautiful, quick and easy sauce. Using chickpeas, green chili, spring onions, touch of salt, and lemon juice. Amazing. There we go. So here we have it, guys. The moment of truth. Lamb looks amazing. Just gonna let it rest for around 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, let's check our lamb. I'm just gonna place it here. Get this in the middle, nice and easy. Beautiful. Alright, I'm just going to plate this up, add a bit of the sauce here. Some of the rice on there. Place my lamb onto there. So there you go, a beautifully cooked lamb along with brown rice, a bit of the sauce. Amazing. Make sure you definitely try it. You know what? Perfect. I can't wait to try this. Let's try the rice first. Mix it with a bit of the sauce. Packed with flavor. And so refreshing, the sauce. Those mushrooms really add that flavor. Alright, I'm gonna try this lamb now. Look at that. Looks really nice. So tender and juicy. This dish is so tasty. Make sure you definitely try it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.